Speed got to take a nap finally indoors because it was snowing all night, so that was nice. Holy shit. Fuck. Oh, Canada, bro. Guys. God damn! Look at these headlights though. Wait. Flex on him. Oh my god. I'm never gonna get tired of that. Oh my god. That is so sick. The fucking beater, guys. I love this car. It's my dad's car. I always joke around that, look, it doesn't even have an actual key, spare key. Certified beater. Fucking automatic, so weird. This car is filthy, guys, like really dirty. My dad does not care, guys. So I just need to whip around actually to park it, so I have space to get out. Look at this shit. Here, hopefully my neighbors don't get pissed, but just fucking whip this thing around. Whoa! Oh fuck. You know what? I'm just gonna chill. These don't have very good winter tires on. Woo! My neighbor's like right there too, so I don't want him to get pissed. Hold on. Man, this fucking car, guys. I'm gonna stop driving this now. I mean, Jesus, guys, look at this. This is like the definition of a beater. So I apologize for any wind noise, but right now I'm gonna go pick up some extra oil, just a 1 liter bottle, oil filter, and then pick up some other shit because I have to do 2 oil changes today, one for my car and one for my buddy's car. He's coming later, so gotta get ready for that shit, but the speed's looking cool. Yeah, turn on these. Yes, sir. Oh my god. If you guys missed my previous video showing off the new headlights, definitely make sure to check it out. These came out amazing.
The next day.
So if you guys follow me on my Instagram, you would know that I destroyed my front lip. So I managed to go back there and, well, I didn't save it, but this is what's left. So this is completely destroyed, snapped in half. And there's this other piece, I don't know where this goes, but yeah, if I ever need like extra self tappers, at least I have that shit. I mean, that's nice. But yeah, the rest of it was taken by a snowplow, I'm guessing. So yeah, that happened. But you already know, if you follow me on my Instagram, you would know not even 24 hours later, I got a new one. So I'm serious, guys. So the oil that I use, because I know a lot of people like to ask that question, if I can fucking open the shit. If I can open this box properly, right here. So I picked up, yo, what the fuck? Okay, whatever, I'm just gonna fucking destroy this fucking box. So I actually got this for a really good deal. So Garage 16, a local shop to me, was doing an insane Boxing Deal sale for oil. So I picked up 4 jugs of Motul 5W40 for I think around like, I don't know, like $150, something like that. That's a really good deal. These are like 65 each, so definitely jumped on that. So I'm good for oil for like the rest of the year. Oh, you know, I got her some nice shit too, so it wasn't just one-sided. True. Yeah, I know. Just letting the oil drain right now. I apologize for the reflection with the work light. Stupid iPhones. And with that drain, do the oil filter and put in some fresh oil. Like ice caps?
Iced coffee.
Or iced coffee, whatever.
Ice cap, iced coffee? You're freaking the bomb, man.
Nasty.
Really?
I hate coffee. Especially when it's cold.
Well, I don't actually drink coffee cups. I'll drink iced
any coffee, period. Hot, cold.
Really?
Whatever, nah.
Not your thing?
Gross, man.
Not your thing?
You can call me killer. As
You dump the whole thing in.
won't get away this time. Won't get away.
All right, man. Can you explain what you just did right now?
Oh, these little things? Amazon. They're silica gel desiccant packages, stuff that comes in your shoes and clothes and shit. So
Yeah,
we
you
don't
must
have
shine the light on
any
it.
we don't have any issues with moisture, but you know, you never know. Just to absorb anything. I stuck one right in the bottom there where the projector sits, just to absorb any ambient moisture through temperature changes and whatnot, because we don't want to damage these pretty lenses, although they don't look good right now. But yeah, well then we'll just put the cap on, seal it up, and away she goes.
Nice. Okay, so yo, do a quick rundown of all the parts in the headlights for anyone. Like, I'll have to do another video on this, but just like a quick rundown.
Okay, so cosmetic wise, it's a satin black housing. Everything's been blacked out. And then the accents in red are Velocity Red Mica. It's a custom according to the paint code of this car. We have chasing red, green, blue, white sequential strips and angel eyes. There's also demon eyes in the projector as well. It's got an LED daytime running light upgrade. And then accessory wise, it's in here. You'll have a module for the demon eyes, and then you'll have what's called a blue ghost module, best thing ever, that controls all the color changing. So it's a lot of wiring, a lot of I wouldn't necessarily say too much modification. There's a bit of trimming involved, but there's a lot of electrical work. So if you're not really too familiar on how to wire up stuff on your car, do not even attempt it, or bring it to someone that knows what they're doing, like a professional, because it is pretty extensive if you want to get it done right. So yeah, but pretty basic shit.
Not bad.
I'll just be like, recent project completed for JJMS3.
Yeah.
If anyone's interested, although I will not be accepting build applications at this moment.
So I actually have one buddy. I was gonna ask you. So he has a Gen 1, but he already got his headlights built. He just needs it wired. It's a good buddy of
Who
mine.
did he get it wired? Who did he get it built from?
GTA Retrofits.
Oh, I know. I saw that post.
You saw that, the Gen 1s, right?
Yeah,
He's
I
like,
saw
oh, I
that.
just started doing Maz. That's my buddy's.
Whose is that?
You don't know him. You don't know him.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was like, who's a Gen 1? I'm like, I don't know what Gen 1 that's
Yeah,
getting
it's
theirs
my buddy.
built. Okay, I'll test out your lights, make sure they're all good. So we're gonna put hazards, so turn signals.
Oh,
Good.
yeah.
Okay, and then night lights.
Oh, dude.
Both lights came on?
Every time it just gets me, man. Fuck.
Awesome. The best upgrade for my car, and I'm sure it is for your car.
Not even a
Hands
question.
down.
Not even a question. Is the horn good?
Yeah.
No, like, is it gonna be good though?
Yeah, trust me, I went over it.
You know, so when I got to my buddy's house, like right when I left your work, like I locked my door, and like it started fading away. Like the sound, like fuck. I started doing it again, and it just went away.
Alright, you ready to put this bitch back on or what?
Yeah, but I hate putting on back my front bumper because it's just like a janky
Yes.
thing. Gotta put on gotta zip tie a bunch of shit.
Tedious.
Yeah.
Come in, come in. I could seat you by the fire. Listen, listen. There's something I must confide. I know I said that it'd be fine. I know I made it look like it'd be alright, but I think I learned my lesson, and I'm not gonna let you out of my sight. You can call me killer.
So I actually was researching pretty hard last night for wheels.
Oh yeah?
Bro, I don't know, man. Custom wheels is really the only way to go, the way I'm looking at it. Because I pretty much narrowed down my specs.
Into my eyes, nothing but a sinner. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time. You won't get away this time.
3 hours later.
Well guys, looks like it's the end of the video. Yeah, I don't know what else really to record. As you can see guys, I got a nice lineup. Yo, beard's coming in nice. I don't really talk about this, but I'm really trying to grow my beard, and it's coming along pretty nice. Looking pretty fresh today, I'm not gonna lie. So here's the speed guys, looking dirty as can ever be. Not what I like, but it is what it is, guys. Look at that. Police lights pulling you over, undercover speed cop. Never thought you'd see that, eh? But yeah, guys, I am like just done with winter. Like, the speed has not been having good luck the past, I want to say month. Just breaking a lot of shit, breaking my front lip twice, and then I eventually lost it. And then my fender liners, my under trays all messed up. I am just sick of winter, guys. I hope it's... Fuck, we basically have like another 2 months of it, and it can't come any faster, guys. I cannot wait till it's done. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope it turned out half decent. I kind of just threw a bunch of clips together, just showing you guys what I've been doing the past weekend. Just fixing up the front lip, oil change, Jose doing his thing, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Speed's been having some bad luck, but it is what it is. So stay tuned, guys. We've got a lot of parts for the Speed. I hope you guys are excited. Winter needs to pass by, and then we're gonna go full send with the Speed. I hope you guys are ready. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay consistent. Peace.